Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mirube Mahir. My metric number is 25DDT20F1111. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Ubuntu using VMware. First, you need to go to browser and type VMware download. And now just click go to download and choose VMware Workstation 16.2.0 player for Windows 64-bit operating system. Click download now. And now VMware are going to download. Next, type Ubuntu download. Just click download Ubuntu desktop and click download. And now we have to wait until this too is download. I already download VMware Workstation. Just click VMware Workstation. And now I already install VMware Workstation in my computer and just click create a new virtual machine. And select I will install the operating system later. Choose Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. And name your virtual machine name, anything, and just click next. And I will choose 20 gig for this size. Just click next and now click customize hardware. And for memory I choose 2 gig. And display I will choose accelerate 3D graphic. And for monitor just click specify monitor setting. And for resolution choose 1024. Type close and now just click finish. And now Ubuntu are already installed in VMware. Just play virtual machine. And now just click install Ubuntu, and I use English for keyboard layout, and just click continue. No need to do anything, and just click continue. And now you have to click something else to create or resize partition yourself. Just click continue. And now just click new partition table. Just click continue. And now click add symbol. For root, I choose 10,000 size. And just click OK. Another one, I will choose 1000 size. Logical beginning of this space ext4 journaling. Mount point boot. Next, I will choose 5000 size and mount point home, and click OK. Next, I will choose 2000 size ST journaling and choose var. Click OK. And last, go to use as and search swap area and click OK. And now just click install now. And now just click continue. And choose your name. My name is Amirul. Computer name Amirul virtual machine. Repeat username Amirul. Choose as password. The password I will use DFN 30053. FN 30053. And just keep continue. And now we have to wait until the copying file is done.